So today I'm going to be making litre, which is a very popular celebration dessert. So I have here a litre of milk which I am going to boil. I'm also going to be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 130 grams of coloured savannah. So I'm just going to allow this to boil. So once this comes to the boil, I'm going to lower the heat and allow these to cook and for the milk to thicken. So the savannah are now ready, they've cooled down and I popped them in a bowl. I'm going to now add a can of condensed milk. And I'm going to add half a can of evaporated milk. Just going to mix this. So I have some pre-made jelly which I've just taken out the fridge and I've cut into cubes. So I'm just going to add these in. And again, I'm just going to mix this in. I'm now going to add a can of fruit cocktail. And again, just mix this in. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of rose syrup. This will give it a lovely pink colour. So I'm just going to mix this in. And here we go, our finished litre. Hope you guys enjoyed it and thanks guys for watching.